Hi guys, welcome back to Acedo's kitchen. In this video, I'm showing you how to make pumpkin puree. I rinse it and pat it dry. I chop it into quarters, remove the seeds and peel the skin as I'm doing here. After peeling the butternut, chop it into smaller pieces. Repeat the process until all quarters are done. Add the pieces into a small pot and add water to the level of the pumpkin. Don't add too much water. I cook these until the pumpkin is cooked and the water has significantly reduced. The size determines how fast the pumpkin will cook. At this point, I turn the heat off and allow it to cool slightly before blending. If it's too thick and not blending, add a little water to help blend. In this case, I added about 1/4 cup to assist with the blending. Once the bottom part is blended, I stir the chunks on the top to help it blend. Avoid adding too much water because you will be left with a runny puree. Add it in little increments as needed and continue blending to your preferred consistency. I pour it into containers and store it in the fridge or freeze depending on when I will use it. I used half of this for butternut chapatis and froze the leftover puree. If you're interested in how to make butternut chapatis, let me know in the comments section and I'll make a tutorial. Kindly like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and bye for now.